I'm going to show you how to get perfect waves in your hair using the flawless connection method. So if you're ready to take your waves to the next level, you don't want to miss this video. Watch it all the way to the end and I'm going to get you guys spinning. Let's get it.
I've been going crazy. Plug in, can't play me. Jesus done save me. Can't switch, won't sway me.
What's good, you guys? So I want to make this quick video showing you guys how to get perfect waves in your 360 pattern by using a method known as the flawless connection method. Now, I'm sure most of you guys have some pretty dope looking waves, but if you're like me and you want to get completely perfect waves, not just elite waves, but perfect waves with zero forks, all right? That's what perfect waves are, no forks. Then this method is what you're going to want to use once you're down to a few forks. All right, so pretty much what you'll do is you will shift your waves. All right, so I'm going to use this top left area as an example. All right, as you guys can see, I do have waves. They do connect for the most part, but I do have a couple of forks. So normally I would brush this way, right, when I'm swinging around. But I've noticed that after a few months of me vertical brushing the same consistent angle, the fork just will not move. So with the flawless connection method, what you're essentially going to do is change the direction you brush. In other words, you're going to brush almost in a completely opposite direction. This could either be brushing to the right or brushing to the left. It really doesn't matter, just as long as you can notice which way improves your waves. For some people, brushing to the right may fix the fork. For others, brushing to the left may fix the fork. And it might even be different for every single fork, all right? But for me, in this case, after I've been experimenting, I've noticed that what seems to be getting this fork fixed is when I brush it to the right, all right? Now, here's how you're gonna do this. First, you're gonna apply some product. All right, first step you guys are gonna do, you're gonna apply some product and you're gonna apply it to the area with the fork. All right, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm working on this as my weak area here. And you're just gonna apply it like you would normally would, except for you're just doing it for the fork. Make sure you rub it in. All right, now once the product is in your hair, right, in that fork area, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, you're then going to grab a comb and you're going to comb in that new direction. In this case, I'm combing to the right. And this is supposed to confuse your waves, all right? This is only if you've been vertical brushing for months, you've been hitting the same pattern, you've been making sure you're not overlapping and your waves just will not move. Shifting your waves is an easy way to confuse them, all right? So I'm gonna change it to another angle so you guys can see. And I'm combing it this way. All right, then after that's done, you're gonna grab a brush, preferably a medium brush, but my hair just got cut not too long ago, so I'm gonna use a soft brush for this example. And you're going to literally brush it in that new direction, all right? So you see how I'm completely brushing in the opposite direction. This is the key, the last resort that's gonna help break those stubborn forks fast to help you get perfect, flawless looking waves, all right? Now, I will warn you, this will feel very, very, very uncomfortable, all right? But you guys gotta try it out, all right? You gotta give it some time. This is actually how I broke some forks in the past that would not move, all right? And you would keep doing this until the fork breaks, and then you can go back to brushing it in a normal direction, all right? I'm gonna show you guys what it would look like here. So normally I brush this way, right? But when I'm using the flawless connection method, I'm angling my brush and I'm brushing almost sideways, all right? This is what's gonna get it to move. So I'm brushing like this. So again, this is how I normally brush, but to fix this forky area, I'm brushing at an angle, completely angled. It's almost like you're over exaggerating. All right, just like that. All right, and ever since I started doing this last night, I've already begun to see progress. Now, the fork isn't gonna break immediately. You do have to do this for some time. I will say on average, it took me around 1 to 2 weeks to see immediate progress versus vertical brushing the same area for months just to get little progress. This is gonna save you guys so much time, but not as much time as the 360 cheat guide that's gonna give you tons of more insider tips that most wavers don't know. Be sure to check it out in the description below so you can get spinning even faster. If you are uncomfortable doing this method, what you can try doing is either brushing this way for 1 day and then going back to brushing the next, but I feel like that's not really gonna move your hair like that, but you're feel free to try it. Or you can brush the new way and give it 1 week. For just 1 week, only this area. You're not brushing your whole pattern like this, just this area. You brush in the opposite direction for 1 week, and then next week you go back to here. That way, at least you're giving it days to change. Now, you would brush every other side the same exact way. All right, so let me show you guys an example. All right, so if I'm brushing around, this is how I normally brush. Right, I brush my right side, my back right, my back, coming around to the left, right. See, I'm brushing every other area the same. All right, every area I'm brushing the same. All right, even this slight hook here, because this hook has nothing to do with the fork up here. So I'll even brush this the same. But once I get to this area, right here, I'm going back to that flawless connection pattern, right? That flawless connection angle right here. And give it a little bit of extra time as well. And then I continue everything else. Now, if you want some more tips and tricks on how to get rid of forks, you want to be sure to check out this video right here. Be safe and salute to my wave troops. I'm out.